Now the topic comes, which is deformation and stresses in statically determinate structures. Okay, so let us see the first case. In the first case, we are considering bar of uniform section, and we are going to find the deformation of a body due to self weight. Okay, so let us consider a uniform section bar AB. Okay, so consider a bar AB as shown in figure, and we have to find the deformation of a body, means deformation of this bar due to its self weight. So self weight, so we have considered this bar as a hanging with the ceiling. Okay, hanging freely under the ceiling and under its own weight. Okay, so here L is the length of bar, A is the cross-sectional area of the bar, E, because the body, this bar will be made of some material. Okay, so every material has constant quantity, constant value of modulus of elasticity for different material. So let us take E is modulus of elasticity. Okay, for the bar material. And last one is weight, because we are going to find the deformation of a body due to self weight. So there is some weight, W, weight per unit length. Okay, so W is weight per unit length of the bar. Okay, so let us consider all these things. And now to find total deformation, total elongation, first of all we will consider a small elementary strip here at a distance x from point B, and the length of the element will be dx. Okay, so now consider a small element dx of the bar at a distance x from B. Okay, this small element at a distance x from B. Okay, axial force coming on this element will be weight of the bar for length x. Okay, because the axial force coming on this element will be equal to the weight of the bar for this x length. Okay, so we can say the axial force coming on this element dx will be px, will be equal to w into x. X is the length and w is weight per unit length. Okay, so we will get total weight coming on this element. Okay, now hence we can write elongation of this element dx will be delta x, elongation of this small element. Let us take delta x, then we know that the equation of elongation will be pxl upon ae. Okay, as we all know that the equation of deformation in the previous lecture, or we have already found out that deformation equation del L is equal to PL upon AE. Okay, so from that equation we can find the elongation, means the deformation of this element dx will be, this is very small, that's why we have taken delta x will be equal to px is the load or the weight coming on this element only, so that is the equation will become px into L upon AE, and hence we can write the value of px here, so w into x into here L is the length of this element. Okay, so length of this element is equal to dx. Clear? Px is the load coming on the element, that is w into x. L is the length of this element, which is dx. So we can write here dx and divided by area and E, modulus of elasticity. So now to find the total elongation, see, to find total elongation of the bar integrate this equation. Okay, integrate this equation between 0 to L. Okay, 0 to L limit. So we can get total elongation. So total elongation del L will be equal to integration from 0 to L W x dx upon A E. Hence, we can write delta L is equal to 0 to L Wx into dx upon AE. We can take out W upon AE as these all are constant. Okay, so remaining will be integration of x into dx. So we can write this in this way. The integration of x will be x square by 2, and here are limits. So by putting the limits, we can get the equation as del L will be equal to WL square upon 2AE. Okay, so this will be the equation of deformation of a body due to self weight. Okay, so this is the equation, and here W is equal to weight per unit length. So total weight can be written can be denoted by capital W, and that total weight of the bar will be equal to W into L, because the total length of the bar is L. So we can write this equation in this way also. Delta L is equal to W into L upon 2AE. So we can get del L is equal to, here WL is total weight, so capital W into L upon 2AE. Clear? So this is also the equation of deformation of body due to self weight. Clear? Now, as we know that the equation of deformation is del L is equal to PL upon AE. Okay, in this this is the load and here is the weight. These both are same, but these elongation is this is the half deformation. Okay, thus deformation of a bar under its own weight is equal to half the deformation if the body is subjected to the direct load equal to the weight of the body. Okay, so this is the direct load. Okay, and if the body is subjected to the direct load equal to the weight of the body, then the deformation of a bar under its own weight is equal to the half of the deformation. Okay, so half the deformation. Clear? If unit weight of material gamma kilonewton per meter cube, then the total weight of bar will be gamma A into L, because A into L will be volume. Okay, and here kilonewton per meter cube, so total weight will be gamma into A into L. So weight W is equal to gamma A L. Okay, so we can put this value in this equation, so we can get deformation del L will be equal to gamma A L. This is the value of W only, again L divided by 2 AE. Okay, so area will be cancelled and we will get the equation del L will be equal to gamma L square upon 2e. Okay, so this is the equation which can be used in the examples.